I've got a story that I often reference that I've got to tell you. A number of years ago, when I was a student at University of Houston, I had to take a science class, so I signed up for general physics, thinking, no problem. Well, after 2 weeks in this 300-person lecture hall, we had blown past my high school physics and I was lost. So I nudged a kid next to me, hoping for a little sympathy, and said, "What's the prof talking about?" And the guy looked at me strangely and said, "What do you mean, what's he talking about? There's a lab." I go, "Lab?" He says, "Yeah, there's a 5-hour lab required with this course. And we've been talking about this the past 2 weeks." I just shook my head. And I've been shaking my head ever since as I consider information is not learning. Just because you read about something doesn't give you understanding, but experiential learning often happens in a lab setting with someone guiding you through it. That's what Visionworks does. We help you to put your vision to work, to get farther faster, and so when you're at the end, you understand what you've done and you've made it your own, and you're not just mimicking what someone else has done. And that's often our tendency. But consider working with us. That's your physics lesson for today.